Catch the latest news on our website tribune.net.ph and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tribune Now. The Daily Tribune is one with the nation in facing the COVID-19 crisis, and in line with this, the Daily Tribune digital edition on Press Reader is now available for free online. You can also download the Daily Tribune app on Apple Store for iOS users and Google Play for Android users to get the latest and most comprehensive news online. Daily Tribune is also inviting everyone to join its community Viber Katribu to get updates on the freshest and hottest news and entertainment stories of the day. Tarcito emoticons are also available on our community Viber. Just click on the link in this video to join.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa isa na namang edisyon ng Kalingang Katribu Usapang Business. Ako po ang kasama nyo ngayon, si Elmer Navarro Manuel, at ang pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw ay ang mga nauuso ngayon sa mga kalsada. Siguro naman nakakita na kayo niyan, yung mga bagong henerasyon ng mga tricycle. Ayan. At syempre kasama natin para mabigyan tayo ng linaw kung ano ba talaga tong mga bagong henerasyon ng mga tricycle na ito. Kasama po natin ang kasalukuyang Vice President ng Parts and Service ng Tri-Motors Technology Corporation na si Mr. Manolo Luis Del Rosario. Mr. Del Rosario, good afternoon po.
Okay, magandang hapon, Elmer. Thank you for it. Such a pleasure to be here.
Ayan, kamusta naman po tayo dyan? Medyo ayos pa ba tayo dyan?
Ayos naman, ayos naman.
Okay. Alright, sir. Siguro, ang unang salbo dapat natin ngayon is, yung mabilis lang, sir. Ano po ba itong Tri Motors Technology Corporation at paano po kayo nagsimula?
Okay. Actually, ang Tri Motors Technology Corporation is the exclusive importer and distributor for the three-wheeled vehicles of Bajaj, Auto Limited in India. No? So kami po yung nagpapasok ng mga three-wheeled vehicles ng Bajaj company, and we started this business way back in 2015. So this is actually our 5th year of bringing in the units and offering them to the market.
Alright. Sir, meron po ba kayong parang yung tinatawag nilang assembly plants dito sa Pilipinas? Meron na po kayo nun dito?
Yes, we actually have 4 assembly plants as of the moment. Yeah, 3 is in Mindanao, and then 1 is in Luzon. That's where our head office is also located in Muntinlupa.
Alright. Sir, medyo nagulat lang ako. Bajaj pala ang pronunciation niyan kasi nakakakita. Nakakakita kasi ako niyan dito sa may Buendia. Yung mga ganun din yung itsura. Akala ko dati Bahaj ang tawag diyan. Bajaj pala.
Yung pala tawag nila Badja.
Oo nga. Alright. So sir, eto since napag-uusapan na natin tong mga masasabi nating bagong generation ng tricycle. Ano sir ang kaibahan nitong mga ngayong lumalabas ng mga three-wheeled vehicles na to kumpara doon sa mga nakaugalian nating tricycle na ikakabit yung sidecar sa motor? Ito kasi di ba parang built-in na to, di ba? Isang buo na to kaagad. Okay?
Yes. Actually, the main difference is the fact na this is designed as a three-wheeler. Yung kasing nakasanayan natin na tricycles, no, these are actually, the design is forced for lack of a better alternative. So, ang ginawa ng being the ingenious na Pinoys that we are, kinabitan natin ng sidecar, yung motor para meron tayong public utility vehicle for yung tinatawag na last mile transport.
Okay.
Pag sinabi nating last mile transport, usually this is just yung mga 2-kilometer stretches. Let's say pag bumaba ka sa main highway, papasok ka dito sa village mo, diba? So, wala namang mga mga public transport. So yun yung nagawa natin ng solution.
Okay.
Unfortunately, the motorcycle is not designed. It's specifically not designed to have a sidecar. It's designed to be a single
tama.
in and of itself, diba? So in terms of, let's say, yun na lang industry of sidecar manufacturers, if you notice, this is a although malaki yung naging contribution nito over the years, but it's still basically a backward industry, so we don't have regulations on safety
tama.
and things like that. Tapos, yung mga braking systems, the lights and things like that, hindi talaga siya designed for that. But with the three-wheel vehicles of Bajaj, and they've been selling this for so many years, for more than 40 years na, it's designed as a single unit actually, para siyang car. So everything that you will find, almost everything, like a differential, seat belts for passengers, hydraulic brakes, for example, complete lights, these are all of the safety features that you would otherwise find in the car, you will find in the three-wheel vehicles that Bajaj has to offer. Itong mga three-wheelers like the RE, and then the recently launched vehicles, the Maxima Z and Maxima Cargo.
Okay, so talagang ito palang mga bagong three-wheeled vehicles, talagang three-wheeled, hindi kagaya nung tricycle na...
Yes, yung design niya, may chassis talaga.
Isang buo talaga siya dinesign, inisip. Okay.
Buo siya dinesign.
Alright. Kasi yung mga conventional tricycle natin, tama ho kayo, wala hong standard talaga yung sidecar mismo.
Yes.
Pwedeng yung ibang mga nakikita kong tricycle na lowered pa yung mga sidecar. Yung
Saka kung titignan mo yung mga gulong nito, Elmer, kung titignan mo, pag nag-brake yan, hindi lahat ng gulong nag-brake yan.
Oo.
sa tricycle kasi nga design siya para isang tao lang. No? So, safety-wise, malaki talaga yung difference when we talk about safety between a three-wheeled vehicle that's designed to be a three-wheeled vehicle versus one vehicle and an attachment that's put to it.
Okay. So, saan po ba nakuha yung inspiration nitong mga three-wheeled vehicles na to? Ano ba dito sa atin yan o pati sa ibang bansa? Ang siguro naiisip ko sa ibang bansa rin
this
ganyan.
Three-wheel vehicle has been around for so long. No? Bajaj, for example, has been selling this three-wheel vehicle for more than 40 years.
Wow, 40 years
Nag-start pa sila dati na na two-stroke pa yung vehicles nila, no? It just so happened that when we, kasi Kawasaki also sells Bajaj the two-wheel vehicles. Tapos nagkaroon kasi ng trip for dealers. And it just so happened that some of the members of our company, the JDL group of companies, were in that trip. And then they saw the vehicle. And sabi nila, ito talaga, this would be an upgrade para sa public transport system of the Philippines. No? It's a lot more comfortable, it's a lot safer. I think it's about time that, medyo mas maganda yung nag-upgrade tayo pagdating dun sa last mile transport natin. So yun po yung inspiration namin, bakit namin naisip na ipasok to sa country to provide a better vehicle for the Filipino.
Alright, pero talagang ang importante dyan, yung safetyness talaga, di ba?
Safety talaga.
Yan talaga. Kasi usually sa mga three-wheeled vehicles, kagaya ng tricycle, hindi talaga siya enclosed di ba? May mga butas talaga. At least ito ngayon, siguro yung mga nakikita ko sa labas, pwede siya mag-accommodate ng at least 4 yata, kung tama ako. Ayan.
Yes.
Pero may mga seatbelts din.
Yeah, may mga seatbelt. It has a seatbelt good for 3 passengers at the back and the driver in the front, actually.
Okay. So, itong mga ganitong klaseng three-wheel vehicles na to, ano po ba yung mga variants na to? Meron po ba tong fully electronic lang o yung iba gumagamit din ng gasolina?
Actually, what we have here in the country right now are yung mga gasoline engines. But these are Euro 3 compliant engines. Tapos fuel injected na to. So when we talk about emissions, the emissions are, as long as you maintain your vehicle properly, you will have very maliit lang yung emissions niya. So we actually have the first vehicle that we brought in was a 200cc variant, which is called the RE4S. Yan yung maraming nakikita natin.
Yung mga kumakalat dito sa mga Buendia banda.
You'll see a lot of those if you're in the Metro Manila area sa Tagaytay, to paikot-ikot doon. And then just recently we brought in a larger variant, the 236cc Maxima Z and Maxima Cargo.
Okay, so yung iba, yung sabi nyo yung huli, cargo. So to pwede tong gamitin sa mga, let's say, yung mga nagdi-deliver ng water stations, kumbaga, yung mga tubig, gano'n, pwedeng deliver dun sa mamalengke, mga malakihan talaga wholesale na bilihan, yung ganyan. Alright.
Actually, yung reason ba't namin naisip na ipasok yun was precisely because nakita namin yung 200cc. Although it's primarily for transporting passengers, ginagamit din siya sa sa mga delivery.
Oo, tama.
No?
Mga gulay-gulay, kumbaga.
Yung Lazada, they got a lot from us. Binago lang nila yung likod. So sabi namin, this is an opportunity for yung mga maliliit na entrepreneurs, diba? We might as well bring something with much more, with a bigger capacity. That's designed for deliveries. Para may alternative naman yung mga kababayan natin.
Okay. Well, sir, bago tayo mag-break, ito, huling tanong pa, price-wise, sir, yung presyo, mas affordable ba to kumpara dun sa bibili ka ng motor tapos papagawan mo ng sidecar o parang isang bulto lang talaga siya yung presyo niya, ganun?
I would say that the price is fair. I would not say it's the same price.
Okay.
It's a little bit higher than let's say, a motorcycle with a sidecar. No, but long term, you get to save in terms of vehicular maintenance and the durability of the unit. So, kung titingnan natin, for example, yung basic 200cc natin na RE4S, it's 178,000. Yung Maxima Z, which is a larger version of the 4S, pwede siyang passenger unit. You can also fold the seats for a cargo capacity. It's at 209,888. And the cargo variant, which is the flatbed, it sold for 204,888. So it's higher than your typical, but in the long run, it's a lot safer, it's more comfortable, and you get to spend less on maintenance.
Okay, alright. Alright, sir. Siguro, magbe-break muna tayo saglit. Huwag po kayong aalis at babalik po kami rito sa Kalingang Katribo Usapang Business. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Okay.
Viber is the free and secure way to connect with friends and family anywhere. Send messages and make phone and video calls for free. Download Viber now.
Magsha-shopping na lang ako!
Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Hello, can you get the following? One pink chair, bed sheets, na pink yung sofa, tapos slide, size 8, pajamas na blue. Oh, don't forget lang.
Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Wait lang. Okay ba yan?
Anything at the SM store, ma'am.
Call to deliver. Call.
Kuya, pwede rin ba ako magpa-deliver sa ate ko sa Taguig, tapos sa friend ko sa Davao, tsaka sa, cancel ko sa Lipa? Okay ba yan?
Kahit saan po, pwede kami mag-deliver.
Call to deliver. Call. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver. Call. Hashtag 143SM. Hashtag 143SM. Call to deliver.
Call na rin kayo.
Call to deliver.
Nagbabalik po ang Kalingang Katribo Usapang Business at syempre kasama pa rin natin si Mr. Manolo Luis Del Rosario, ang Vice President for Parts and Service ng Tri-Motors Technology Corporation. Alright sir, eto madako naman tayo rito sa syempre na ipaliwanag nyo na sa amin kung ano ba tong mga three-wheel vehicles na to. Ngayon sir, pag-uusapan natin paano naman natin to magagamit sa business natin o kung pwede ba siyang gamitin na pang-deliver or pang-araw-araw lang. Anong natin dito, sir, sa discarding entrepreneur na to?
Actually, nakita namin na it's very versatile. No? In the sense na if you are a tricycle driver, for example, pwede siyang, it can be used as a tricycle. In LGUs, we've actually been talking to LGUs to allow tricycle drivers to shift to this product. And quite a few LGUs have already changed their ordinances to allow this to, mag-upgrade kung gusto mag-upgrade ng present nila ng mga tricycle drivers. At the same time, itong Maxima Z kasi pwede mong i-fold yung seat. So
pwedeng cargo rin siya.
As a delivery vehicle. So the reason that namin talaga pinasok itong Maxima Z and Maxima Cargo is we had the entrepreneur in mind, yung mga small-time business owners. Kung makikita nyo dun sa video natin on the Maxima Z and Maxima Cargo, we had people who were selling plants, yung mga plantitas na gusto mag-deliver ng plants. Yung mga small-time farmers, for example, na who need a vehicle to bring their produce to the marketplace. No? That's another one. Yung mga ganun. Instead of, kasi ang option nila usually is bumili ng second hand, di ba, na mga vehicles that are usually, marami dito, chop-chop. So, yun yung usual option nila kasi yung lang yung mura. That's what they can afford. Unfortunately, they spend so much, you end up spending so much on after-sales.
Yung mga paggawa na, no?
Vehicular maintenance. And then, yung parts pa is not available, ganyan. at least with this one, you get a brand new vehicle. So you're sure of the quality. You're sure it's not going to break down.
Okay. Tsaka,
Yung mga ganun, like you mentioned earlier, yung mga nagde-deliver ng water, for example. So it offers opportunity, especially dun sa mga kababayan natin who are looking for, ways and means to get through this pandemic. And they're looking for alternatives to income earning.
okay.
So hopefully this is going to help a lot of them.
Alright. Siguro ito yung masasabi natin na mas magandang alternatibo. Tsaka long run talaga to kasi syempre isang buong vehicle to eh. Hindi ka na mag-iisip na papalitan mo pa yung bearing ng isang gulong o i-maintenance mo yung motor. Tsaka kadalasan po, siguro naman nakikita na natin, ginagamit na to pampasahero talaga. Lalo na dito banda sa may MOA complex yan. Maraming ganyan dyan. Tapos yung iba naman ginagamit na yun nga yung pang-deliver ganun. So kung baga sa sir, pwede na siguro nating sabihin na pwede nating i-push to na mas magandang alternative para sa tricycle kasi syempre nga kagaya na sabi nyo,
Actually,
maraming parts.
Safety-wise na lang tayo.
Ayun, tama. Safety-wise.
I mean, let's just talk about safety, roadworthiness. Kunwari sa gabi, if you've tried driving in the provinces at night, tapos may tricycle tumatakbo sa harap mo, halos hindi mo makikita.
Magugulat ka pa.
Diba? Magugulat ka na lang, may tricycle pala to.
Oo nga.
Kasi nga, it's not designed that way. But ito, yung profile niya, kahit sa malayo, makikita mo yung headlights malakas. Yung profile niya parang sasakyan. I mean, that alone speaks a lot of, the difference safety-wise between yung nakasanayan natin tsaka itong vehicle natin ngayon.
Okay. So, sir, itong klaseng or bago, let's say, siguro tawagin na natin itong bagong generation ng tricycle.
Yeah.
Kung sakali po, meron po ba kayong mga programs or mga, let's say, deals, kumbaga, kung siguro yung mga tricycle driver gusto na mag-upgrade ng mga sasakyan nila, ano po yung may offer natin sa kanila? Mas let's say, siguro yung mas mahabang bayaran ng loan, yung mga ganun.
Actually, ang unang ginawa namin is we made sure that we had, kumbaga may options yung kababayan natin. So we actually have a network of different dealers, 900 sales sites all over the country.
Okay.
So that you can have, kasi different dealers have different financing terms, no? But we didn't stop there. We partnered with Sumisho, for example, City Savings, GMS as financing partners to ensure that in terms of access to financing and different financing offers, nandiyan yan lahat. At the same time, some of our dealers actually opted to finance this over a period of, usually, ang maximum niyan is 3 years.
Okay.
36 months for motorcycles. But some of our dealers, some of our financing partners, finance it at 4 years.
Okay.
So that option is there. And actually, the longer the financing kasi, that speaks a lot about your confidence in your product.
Tama.
You don't want to finance something that's not going to last the term of your financing term.
Mauuna pang masira bago mo mabayaran, no?
Yes. So, but kami, we're confident enough to say that you can finance that for 4 years, and I can assure you it's not going to, it's not, as long as it's maintained properly, it's used as it's supposed to be used, it's not going to break down. The risk is going to be minimal.
Okay, so kung tutuusin talaga, malaking tulong na to kung sakali, kung gusto mo
kung 4 years term. I mean, talagang limit yung yung monthly amortization.
I-maintain lang talaga ng gusto yung sasakyan.
It's very it's very affordable.
All right. Eto sir, medyo nakita ako sa video clip kanina nung habang nag-uusap tayo. Etong mga to pala, pwedeng rolling store o pwedeng parang sari-sari store. Bigyan nyo kami ng idea sir kung paano bang diskarte nila rito sa na to, sa endeavor na to. Gagawing food cart. Oo.
Usually, yung mga pag nakikita nyo, yung mga parang rolling store, aftermarket na ng mga ano yun, ng mga modifications that are done. We have some dealers who, kumbaga, this is part of their program. No? They make aftermarket modifications. Tapos kung ano man yung cost ng aftermarket modification, pinapatong na lang nila dun sa price ng unit. But yun yung kagandahan ng unit natin kasi it can actually be modified as long as you don't touch the engine or the chassis or the major parts, no. As long it's just in the body, then it's okay. Ang dinidiscourage lang natin na modification yung tatamaan yung makina, yung electrical wiring system, things like that, the chassis, kasi that will compromise the safety features, no, yung durability of the product. But otherwise, it's okay. So we actually have dealers. One dealer that's very active in this is Motor Central, actually, in the Calabarzon area. They have modified units that they show in their showrooms.
Oo, magandang magandang diskarte to, kumbaga. Pwede mo sa umaga, pampasahero, tapos sa hapon, huwag ka nang bumiyahe, tayuan, patong mo na dyan yung mga paninda mo. Okay na yan, iikot-ikot mong gano'n. Ayos na diskarte din yan. Alright sir, bago tayo magpatuloy, magbe-break muna tayo saglit. Huwag po kayong aalis, babalik po ang Kalingang Katribo, Usapang Business. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Bilang bagong mag-asawa, sabay kami natututo sa buhay.
Sabay rin namin inaaral ng mga bayarin sa bahay.
Kahit kami, nagtaka sa biglang laki ng electricity bill namin. Huwag pong mangambang maputulan. Sinisigurado ng Meralco na walang disconnection hanggang September.
Estimated bills lang ang natanggap natin ng March, April at para sa ilan, May. Dahil sa lockdown, isang tabi to para hindi na maguluhan.
Ang May o June ay actual meter reading na. Kung May nagka-actual reading, ibabawas dito ang huling reading bago mag-ECQ. Yan lang po ang ating babayaran hanggang 3 buwang konsumo.
Kung estimated reading sa May at June nagka-actual reading, ibabawas din dito ang huling reading bago mag-ECQ. Yan lang po ang ating babayaran. Hanggang 4 na buwang konsumo, walang labis. Tandaan, kung ano lang na konsumo,
yun lang ang babayaran.
ako po si Mateo G.
At ako naman po si Sarah G.
G?
G!
Nagbabalik po ang Kalingang Katribo, Usapang Business, at syempre kasama pa rin natin si Mr. Manolo Luis del Rosario, ang Vice President ng Parts and Service ng Tri-Motors Technology Corporation. Alright sir, bago tayo magpatuloy, medyo may mga magpapa-shoutout lang dito, no? Babatiin muna natin yung mga nanonood sa atin. Okay, shoutout kay Amelia Flor de Lis, Tere Agligo Toledo Kilatan, Amy Rose Alarilla Gadasa, Jessa Bataanon Gatus, Tin Talyer, Divine Grace Akaw, Hazel Narito, Eileen Canlas Gigante, Bingbing Sebla, Norwil Capistrano, Shi Rocha, Ice Fernandez, Kim Amion, Therian May Apsay, at kay Paul Andrew Kalikdan. Ayan, no, kamusta po sa inyo yung mga nanonood dyan? Alright sir, ito, tuloy na natin. Since nabanggit nyo kanina yung mga LGU, kanino na po bang mga LGU ninyo inilapit itong mga bagong three-wheel vehicles na to?
Actually, for the past 3 years, we've been in partnership with the League of Municipalities in the Philippines para mapayagan yung mga tricycle drivers natin mag-upgrade if they want to. But at the same time, in partnership with our social arm ng JDEL Group of Companies, yung JVR Foundation, we've also been donating units, especially when the pandemic started, to several LGUs. Hindi ko lang memorize sino mga LGU, no? But I think most of the cities in Manila to donate.
Pasig yan.
In Manila, in Pasig, in Manila, I think in Muntinlupa, I'm not sure, no? But the idea actually is to donate this because it's really perfect for, let's say, a barangay patrol, for contract tracing. Kasi yung malalaking sasakyan, hindi nakakapasok-pasok sa mga eskinita yun eh. Yung maliliit na mga daan. And this vehicle is perfect. As a matter of fact, we also have an LGU in Kidapawan, for example, in Mindanao, who uses the vehicle for their PWDs and senior citizens. So yung mga senior citizens nila na who do business in their city hall in Kidapawan City, pinapahatid nila pa uwi using this vehicle. Kasi perfect talaga siya. So we really see a lot of uses for this, not just as a public transport, as a business vehicle, but even in terms of yung
public service.
Yes, na mga needs ng local government units.
Okay, nakita ko rito, meron na yata kayo sa Manila, Marikina, sa Pasig yan. Pasig, may coordination na rin kila Yorme, kay Biko, tsaka kay Mayor Marcy. Okay. Alright. Sir, eto, may mga katanungan naman tayo mula sa mga nanonood sa atin. Eto mga, pagkatingin ko rito sa mga tanong na to, ang una kagad pumasok sa isip ko, gusto kagad modification ang tanong. Ito, galing kay Ran, pwede ba mako-order ng makina sa Maxima Z kasi papalitan ko yung nasa akin ngayon para mas matulin at malakas ang takbo. So, makina lang daw yata ang kailangan niya.
Ang problema kasi yung placement ng makina dun sa 200cc natin, it's not designed for the Maxima Z, yung 236cc. So hindi po advisable na you put the engine of the Maxima Z dun sa kaha nung
ibang sasakyan pa.
Nung RD4S, yes. Hindi siya advisable. It will compromise the safety and integrity of the structure of the vehicle itself.
Kasi sabi nyo nga po, isang buo talaga siyang ginawa eh. Yung idea nung three-wheeled vehicle na to eh, para dun lang to sa, yung makina to, para dito lang yan. Yung mga ganun.
Yung mga points kung saan siya ikakabit, and those are designed.
Specific talaga na. Oo, tama. Alright, eto galing kay Noli. Meron po ba kayong design na pangkargahan o pang water station? Okay, ito yung nabanggit natin kanina, yung sinabi nyo yung cargo.
That's the cargo. Yeah, yung cargo po natin flatbed yun, and it can carry up to, yung loading capacity nyo is up to 487 kilograms.
Kilos, okay.
So that's a lot of water or rice or kung ano man yung karga mo. That's a lot. It's almost half a ton basically. No?
So malakas yung kaha niya, yung chassis, tsaka yung...
It's really designed to be
pati siguro suspension. Yung suspension nun, di ba? Kailangan matibay.
Maganda sa suspension niya. Yung front niya kasi pinalitan niya. Hindi na pivot pin. Hindi na front fork. So it's much more durable.
Tama. So, iwas emplang na, kumbaga.
Yung back naman niya, yun yung kagandahan nitong 236cc natin, kasi yung likod naman niya, yung drive, we use a CV shaft na dating sa, so that means mas maraming pivot points in your drive shaft. And that makes the transmission of power galing sa engine mo papunta dun sa gulong mo, mas efficient siya ngayon. So you don't lose power in transferring the kinetic energy from your engine to your wheels.
Tsaka sakto yun, kahit lagyan mo pa ng,
Sa CV shaft.
kahit kargahan mo, let's say yung aabot nga ng almost half a ton.
Almost half a ton, yes.
Durable at saka stable pa rin yung takbo niya.
Stable pa rin yung takbo niya. Yeah.
Kasi kung gagamitin mo naman tricycle, diba? Syempre papantayin mo 'yun. Paglalagay ka ng 4 na galong tubig dito sa kanan mo sa sidecar, tapos kailangan 3 kayong sakay dito sa motor. Para pantay.
Para balanse. Kaya based sa experience namin, yung mga dating tricycle drivers who shifted to the RE, talagang they say this is a lot more comfortable. Hindi sumasakit yung katawan nila. Kasi balanse siya compared to the traditional tricycle.
Kasi kung makikita nyo naman yung ilan sa mga kababayan nating mga tricycle driver, pagka umupo, nakaganyan, di ba? Yan,
They tend to, kasi kung saan kasi yung weight, pupunta yung yung vehicle, no? So yung labas nila, kung nasa right side yung sidecar, parati silang nagbe-brace against that side, no? So pagdating sa gabi, talagang
sa lompas ang kailangan.
Yung shoulders nila sa lompas talaga. Buong araw kang nagbe-brace dun sa side na yun.
Biro mo, pati pagtulog mo, hindi mo rin pwedeng higaan yun dahil masakit talaga. Alright, ito, sir.
Actually, just as an addition to that, no, yung mga early adopters nitong vehicle na to, they also noticed that they tended to earn more because they could kaya nilang mamasada buong araw.
Nakakapahinga rin sila.
Hindi sumasakit yung katawan nila. Yung kasing ibang tricycle drivers, they really need brakes kasi hindi kaya yung shoulder nila.
Tsaka syempre yung
capacity really went up.
Yung gagamayin pa nila yung motor nila kung saan ba hiling o saan ba kiling itong motor na to, kung gaganon ba siya o gaganito.
Dito ba sa left, dito sa right.
So ito since nasa likod na yung gulong tapos siguradong pantay yung pagkakagawa, frente ka, ganyan ka lang, di ba?
Yes. Ayan. Balance siya.
Okay, ayos. Ito, sir, last question ng netizen natin galing kay Aris. Pwede po bang papalitan ang bubong at palagyan ng pinto ang kasalukuyang design ng Bajaj RE?
Actually, yung yung Bajaj RE 4S natin, meron na tayong special edition where we have a hard top.
Okay.
No? Hindi na siya yung canvas. And it also has doors built in. No? So, yun yung meron na talaga. It's already in the market. But if you already own an RE, one of our projects is actually yung aftermarket na hardtop na tawag nito? Offers, parang upgrade, and the doors. So, abangan na lang po natin yun. As soon as we're done with the research and development, we'll be offering aftermarket siguro ng mga ganyang mga upgrades to the market. But if you really want to do that, right now, you can just get in touch with your local dealer and we'll see what we can do about it. I'm sure we can do something about it. Yeah, we already have people who will fabricate it for us.
Okay. So, yung mga meron ng Bajaj RE dyan, gusto nyong kung gusto nyo talagang palagyan ng pinto, yung mala sports car, yung pag ganun dapat yung bukas ng pinto, pataas. Para maiba naman.
Special edition po natin dun sa 200cc, may built-in doors na yun.
Okay, alright. So, Aris, ayan, medyo hintay ka lang ng konti, pero kung talagang hindi ka na makapaghintay, meron daw silang mga local dealers na nagpa-fabricate ng mga ganyang klaseng pinto. Alright. So, sir, naubos na natin yung mga tanong ng ating mga nanonood sa atin. Mauubos na rin yung oras natin. So, any final messages, sir?
Ano ba mabibigay ko na final message? I hope if you're looking for an alternative vehicle to be used in your small business, for example, small grocery, delivery service, etc., please do consider the Bajaj products, the 3-wheel products that we have to offer before you make a decision. And I assure you won't be disappointed. in terms of after-sales service, we have a network of almost 800 service sites nationwide. And this is supported by parts network as well. So talagang we have everything covered for you.
Okay.
Yun lang po. And please stay safe. Practice the usual protocols to protect ourselves from the COVID virus.
Alright. Okay, so sa mga nagdanais dyan na magnegosyo na may kailangan kayong sasakyan, tama yun sabi ni Mr. Del Rosario na i-consider nyo sila. Kasi, syempre, una sa lahat, safe. Dahil talagang, kung makikita nyo naman yung disenyo, talagang pang 3-wheeled vehicle siya na hindi kinabit, walang natatanggal na parts, isang buo siya, may seatbelt pa sa loob, kompleto yung headlight, taillights, mga suspension, ayan, ganyan. Tapos, syempre, yung isipin na rin natin, yung long run din ng negosyo natin dahil syempre, mas kailangan natin talaga ng mga gantong klaseng sasakyan na durable at siguradong hindi kayo bibigyan ng problema. Alright. At dyan nagtatapos po ang isa na namang edisyon ng Kalingang Katribo Usapang Business. Ako po si Elmer Navarro Manuel. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang hapon.
Click, that's it. Never thought self-service can be this slick. Modify plans in a snap, walang hirap. It's a wrap, just tap the app. Now you can check, view, subscribe, renew. Help and support for you. Out with the Ring apps are the in thing. You know what to do. Globe at home and Globe One, all in the Globe app na yan. Self-service and easy to use. Mas okay tayo dyan. Globe at home and Globe One, all in the Globe app na yan. Instant response, no hold time pa, wala nang hintayan. Download Globe at Home and Globe One app, all in the Globe app na yan.
Download the Globe One and Globe at Home apps from Google Play Store and Apple App Store now.
Download Globe at Home and Globe One app, all in the Globe app na yan.
This is a very important story. The important story.
Pictures and stories.
Today, we feel the weight of history on our shoulders. The way we have been moving leads nowhere. We need to change course.
Since the United Nations was founded, the human race has never had to face a set of challenges like we do right now. But together, we can overcome them.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
Bakit kailangan ko pang pumunta sa bangko?
Oo nga naman, sir. Ba't kailangan pang pumunta sa bangko?
Why not get a UB app so you can do all of these without going to the bank? Bank the way you live. Union Bank.
Araneta City, home to the country's first indoor shopping mall, the world's original Thrilla, and the first ever Bini Bini pageant. Now a place for your first win, your first catch, your first home, your first big break, your first date, and even your first love. Araneta City, the city of firsts.